Sales calls can be tough. Thoughtful. What if you could practice before the real thing? Most reps don't get enough practice, and that means they are not coached well for all kinds of objection handling. That's where Outdoo Sales Roleplay comes in. Pick any scenario, whether it's handling objections, discovery, or negotiating price, and start practicing instantly. Our AI listens and gives you instant feedback on clarity, pitch, and key sales skills. Access multilingual practice conversations right in the flow, so you're not just practicing, you're sharpening your strategy for any and every scenario. Managers can coach smarter, track progress, and build confident, high-performing teams. With Outdoo Sales Roleplay, your team is always prepared, eventually winning more deals. Outdoo Sales Roleplay. Practice, improve, win.